Hi everyone, welcome back to Day Trade Diary. Today is the 16th of March, 2026. It's a Monday morning where I am. I didn't update over the weekend, so I'll just give you a quick update about what happened since my last update on Friday morning. So this is an update on day 18 and 19 of my trading journey, which was the 13th and 14th of March 2026. And that was a Friday and a Saturday to give you updates. And as usual, I don't update on a Sunday because the CFD market is closed and Bitcoin is the only market that is open. So for Oanda CFDs, we have dipped a little bit. I'll explain why in a second, but now we're at 14,633. And for Binance, we are up slightly at 9911. That gives us a total of 24,544 US dollars. And that equates to a 4.31% gain since we started our trading journey 19 days ago. And the chart here depicts the gains or the progression so far. This equates to a 1,014 US dollar overall absolute gain since we started documenting our trading journey. Okay, let's go straight into Bitcoin first of all. We had, since our last update, one buy and three take profits. So it was on the 13th when our last update around 10 o'clock. And so we had one buy here. And the take profits were here at this candle for 72,300 and here just yesterday. And also at the 74,300 level. I don't know why it doesn't appear, this sell symbol on 74,300, but it's definitely there. Let me check. Trade history. Yeah, so it's here. There's definitely a sell order for 0.01 Bitcoin at 74,300. But for some reason, it doesn't appear as the S sticker here. 74,300 should be somewhere around here, and it definitely hit. So I noticed this is a bug in Binance that sometimes happens when these orders are set very early or in the past, too much in the past, and then when these orders hit, then Binance doesn't really show them as hitting. So it only shows the recently set orders if they are hit. And all those set like a few weeks ago, it doesn't show. So for example here as well, look, I have limit orders set at 76, 78 and 80,000, but you don't see those green lines there. I'm not sure why, but when you look into the main Binance, you can see them. See 76,300, 78,300. You can see those buy orders, but you can't see the sell order that was the take profit that was hit as well at 74,300. So I don't know. It's a bit weird. So moral of the story is reset your limit orders from time to time so that it appears when it actually gets hit. But we definitely had one buy order and three take profits overall. Let's look at the price action for Bitcoin. Seems to be going up, but this is what Bitcoin always does. It crashes in the bear market and then it consolidates for a longer period than what it actually crashed, and then it will make another big dive downwards. So if it does make a big dive downwards, then we're ready with the limit orders to buy on the way up. Okay, that was for Bitcoin. Let's look at Oanda now. So for Oanda, I mentioned we are at 14,633. So let's go in order then. For gold, We hit another buy order last night, so now we have a small exposure to gold, 0.1 here and 0.1 ounce here, so overall 0.2 ounces. Just to give us some exposure to gold, because I think gold is here to stay as an inflation hedge and so on. I believe that is a good opportunity to ladder. It is down from its all-time high of 5,600, and then now it's currently at 4,900. So I'll continue to ladder this down to around the 4,000 level at maybe every 200 or $250 intervals. Not too convinced yet, and this breaks my rule about only laddering assets that are severely depressed, 40%, 50%. So gold is only down 10%. So that's why I'm quite wary in my ladder size. I'm gonna go proceed cautiously on this. For silver, yep, we had one buy order at the 25 ounces at the 81 level, our favorite level. So here, the buy order hit. Seems to be going to be a down day. I have another buy order set at the 76 level and every $5 level. So the next one will be at the 71 level, for instance, which I will set after this. So if a big spike comes and hits the 76 and 71 level, that will be great. Let me just make a buy order at 71. This is how I do it manually. And I do it a little bit above the 71 level. There you go. Okay, so now for China A50, let's have a look. No activity. It seems to be going up. If this will actually load. Oh, doesn't want to load. So let's look at copper first. What's going on? Copper. Okay, so for copper, I set a feeler as well at this level, 5.6 dollars level, and it hit yesterday for 50 units. So it's currently slightly in the profit of 2.69. So this is also a feeler. I'll continue to buy on the way down at big ladder sizes. So let's see what happens. And for China A50, unfortunately, we only managed to buy one time at 0.1 units, and then now it's looks like it's about to hit the take profit, and hopefully it dips again. If it takes profits here, then I'll reset the rebuy here order at this level and also maintain this one. Yeah, so the ladder strategy is working as intended. Lots of or not lots, but some some buy orders were hit for the CFDs yesterday night and also on Friday. So that's good because we need to continue buying so that we can take profits on the way up. So since the last update, we had buys in gold, silver, Bitcoin, of course, and copper. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that. That concludes my update for today. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care now. Bye bye.